Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to look at creating a sales pipeline inside of AZ. So my screen looks a little bit different than yours, but you will still see this create pipeline if you go into your settings and down here and hover over settings and pipelines. So then you'll see create pipeline, and you're just going to do create sales lead pipeline. That is going to open up just your general settings here. What type of focus do you want? Personal, commercial, or do you want everything? So I'm just going to go ahead and select personal and save changes. And voila. Now I have a new pipeline that I can create sales opportunities in, either manually or via Zapier. You can come in here and customize any of the names just by clicking on the little pencil button. And however you want to do that. What type of info would you like to capture at this stage? I always say opportunities is going to be the best route. And then if you want to change the settings here, you can switch it from personal over to commercial. Just don't forget to hit save after you're done with everything. And also, if you need to add another stage, it's just as simple as adding a stage and giving it a name. So easy as that. If you have any questions, please reach out.